tayo kay Briggs Terrence. Ay, eto naman, oh. Eto parang to yung ano, nasa vlog, yung gwapong basketball player. Diba? Hi, Briggs!
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
5.
Oh, 5 daw siya. How are you? 5. 5 eh, sabi niya. How old are you?
5 years old.
Oh, yun, may years old na. Sabi, bobo ng host na to. Bigay na hindi pa maganda. Sabi, narinig ko eh. Sabi, lagot kayo ka sa daddy ko mamaya. Ayan. Your question is, bakit kailangan na kumain ng gulay ang batang tulad mo? In English?
So I can be healthy and strong.
Ah! So I can be healthy and strong. That's all?
Yeah.
Yes. Sick. Yes?
Yeah, but I need to tell you something.
Oh, what's that? I am beautiful?